Even people outside Jamaica notice this about Jamaicans. Watch this.
Belizean people love to pretend, copy, and try to talk and imitate Jamaican people. But you know something I ain't never seen? I ain't never seen a Jamaican pretend to be a Belizean. It don't happen. You know why? Because Jamaican know their culture. And they know everyone in the Caribbean try to imitate and act like them. I never seen it. When have you ever seen a Jamaican pretend to be a Belizean, a Belizean, a Trinidad, a Guyanese, right? But you always see Belizean people being foot and copying and trying to pretend that they are Jamaican. But you ain't never seen a Jamaican copying or pretending to be a Belizean. And that is sad.